Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for Brain Trust. So, as always, our key level criteria: we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now, here in the monthly, there isn't much price action that we can work with, so let's go ahead and hop to the weekly chart. Now, what can we notice? We see a weekly swing high here. This price comes up, hits, and reverses drastically. Now, we can go ahead and plot a key level here, where we see price come down, hit, reverse, and as we see price come down, we see price reacting to the same key level as support over here, now as resistance. We can also go ahead and plot a key level here, so we see multiple reactions acting to the same key level as resistance, which is obvious to spot here on the weekly. We can also go ahead and plot a key level here, so we see price come down, hit, and reverse, acting as support, and as price breaks down, we see another reaction now acting as resistance. And looking at more recent price action, we can go ahead and plot a support level here as price came down, hit, and reversed, and is now holding this level as support. So, looking at our chart, these are all the key levels plotted. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.